My name is Minahani, and I'm here to explain to you the part of our project that is related to the sensors. First of all, the type of the sensor we use in our project is an infrared one. What is the infrared sensor? We can imagine it as a small object that can produce a thread of light, an infrared light, which is an invisible type of light. Now we can also control the length of this thread by making it whatever we want. Let's now assume that we would make it 2 or 3 centimeters. What does this sensor actually do? First of all, when an outside object comes and cuts the thread of light, this sensor can detect this motion, and it can send a signal to our Altera board, and actually that signal is what enables us to proceed with our project. Using this signal, we can make it our energy source to trigger our buzzer, which is something we use to produce a sound, actually a sort of an alarm to make everyone know that there is something that come and that cut the thread of light. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Mark, and I have been working on the part of the project concerning the keyboard. So, first of all, we are using a PS2 keyboard to accept the input from the user. So, in this part of the project, the scenario goes as follows. A person enters a 4-digit password combination on the keyboard. So, when the person enters the password, the 8-bit ASCII equivalence for each character is sent to the program. So, the program then validates the password character by character to check whether it matches the stored one or not.
Hi, my name is Muhammad. I'm a JC student majoring in computer science and engineering. Now, my part in the project was password validation. Now, when the user triggers the IR sensor, a buzzer would start. Now, to stop the buzzer, the user would be asked to enter a password. If the user enter a correct password, meaning the previously stored one, the buzzer would stop and the user would get a welcoming message on the LCD screen. Otherwise, the user would be asked to enter another password and the buzzer would keep ringing.
Hello, my name is Ziad Atif, and I'll be talking about one of the outputs of the project, which is using an LCD to display a message. To display a message on a screen, we used the ASCII code for each character represented in hexadecimal. The user is asked to enter a password, and another code checks this password whether it's correct or not. If the password is entered correctly, the screen displays the word welcome on the first line, followed by the word home on the second line, indicating that the user has entered the house successfully and showing the message welcome home. However, if the user enters an incorrect password, the screen displays the message password please, password on the first line, followed by please on the second line, showing that the user has not entered the house successfully and asking the user to re-enter the password, and any empty spaces on the screen is represented by the ASCII code for space in hexadecimals in our code.
My name is Salman. Up till now, we have made everything works on its own, so my job in the team was to make everything connected to each other. So when the IR detects an object, it keeps buzzing till I enter the password, and it says on the LCD screen welcome home, no matter if the IR detects or not. It stopped till I reset. Okay, thank you.